Ellipse Part 4.
Hi everyone. For this session we will discuss few 4 marks problems. So see the first problem. Find the length of the major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity, coordinate of the center, and foci, and also equation of directrix of the ellipse equation is given. So using this equation we can find all these. Okay. See here. So what is the given equation? Given equation is x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equals to 0. So you can change this equation into ellipse equation. So that equation is what? X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. See here, first we should write the x terms. X square minus 4x. So next write y square terms. Here 2y square plus 12y. In both the terms 2 is common. So 2 times of y square plus 6y. Next plus 14 equals to 0. See here, this can be written as x minus half value of 4 is 2. So write 2 whole square minus square of this 2, that is 4. Okay. See here, x square minus 4x can be written as x minus half value of 4 is 2 whole square minus write the square of this term, that is 4. Now similarly this is 2 times of, see here, y plus half value of 6 is 3 whole square minus square of 3, that is 9 plus 14 equals to 0. Now this is x minus 2 whole square. Next plus 2 times of y plus 3 whole square. Next, see here, minus 4 minus 18 minus 22. Minus 22 plus 40, that is minus 8. This is equal to 0. So send this 8 right side, then it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus 2 times of y plus 3 whole square is equals to 8. So we have to divide the given equation. We have to divide this equation with 8. See here what you get? Divide by 8. Here also divide by 8. On RHS also divide by 8. Now this is x minus 2 whole square by 8. Next, this y plus 3 can be written as y minus of minus 3 whole square divided by 4. This is equals to 1. Now clearly this equation is of the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. See here, comparing with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. So therefore a square value is 8 and b square value is 4. So a square is equals to 8, b square is equals to 4. So clearly a value is 2 root 2 and b value is 2. So clearly a is greater than b. See here, this is the standard form equation of a ellipse. Here a is greater than b. So in that case, you should write all the formulas. So that are what? First, center. So what is the center of the ellipse? CH comma K. So clearly h is equals to 2 and k is equal to minus 3. That is equals to 2 comma minus 3. So next, length of major axis. Length of major axis. So that is 2a. So clearly a value is 2 root 2. So 2a is what? 4 root 2. Next, length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. That is 2b. You know the value of b, that is 2. So we will get length of minor axis is 4. Okay. Next, eccentricity. What is eccentricity? That is E is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square. So you know the value of a square, that is 8, and b square is 4. Substitute there, you will get square root of 8 minus 4 by 8. So 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. You will get E is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, that is the eccentricity of the ellipse. Now you need to find foci. What is foci? So foci is h plus r minus ae comma k. Now h value 2 and a value 2 root 2 and e value 1 by root 2. Substitute all the values. Here this is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2 comma k value minus 3. So root 2 get cancelled. You will get 2 plus or minus 2 comma minus 3. So we will get two conditions. One is plus and another one minus. So that is 4 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. So these are foci of ellipse. So next, see here, find lattice rectum. See here, lattice rectum formula. That is 2b square by a. So 2 into b square, 4. 2 into 4 is 8 by 2 root 2. So this is 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2 can be written as 2 root 2. Okay. Next, last one. Equation of directrix. See here, equations of directrix. So you know that formula is x is equal to h plus r minus a by e. So you know the values of h, a, e. So substitute here, you will get x is equal to h value 2 plus r minus a by e. A is 2 root 2. E is what? 1 by root 2. So here 2 root 2 by 1 by root 2. So you will get x is equal to 2 plus r minus 2 into 2. You will get 4. So x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 2. So these are the equations of directrix. And see the second one. Find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of lattice rectum, and equation of directrix of the ellipse. So first we have to change the given equation into standard form of the ellipse. That is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. So see here, solution. So what is the given equation? 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 equals to 0. So first you should write the x terms. See here, 9x square minus 36x. In both the terms 9 is common. You will get x square minus 4x. And 16y square plus 32y. In both the terms 16 is common. So plus 16 into y square plus 2y minus 92 equals to 0. Now this is equals to 9 times of, see here, x square minus 4x can be written as x minus half value of 4 is 2 whole square minus square of this number, that is 4. Next plus 16 into here y plus half value of 2 1 whole square minus square of this 1 minus 92 equals to 0. So this is 9 times of x minus 2 whole square minus 36. Next this one plus 16 times of y plus 1 whole square minus 16 minus 92 equals to 0. Now this is 9 times of x minus 2 whole square plus 16 times of y plus 1 whole square. And this one 92 plus 16 108 plus 36 144. So send it right side, you will get plus 144. And divide this equation with 144 on both sides. You will get 9 times of x minus 2 whole square by 144 plus 16 times of y plus 1 whole square by 144 and 144 by 144. So clearly we will get x minus 2 whole square divided by 16 and plus y plus 1 can be written as y minus of minus 1 whole square divided by 9 is equals to 1. Now clearly this equation is of the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. Okay. Now comparing with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. So clearly a square is equal to 16 and b square is equals to 9. So therefore the value of a is 4, b is 3. Here also a is greater than b. So in that case we need to apply the formulas for this ellipse. Okay. See here. First, center, that is ch comma k, that is equal to, what is the value of h? 2, k is minus 1. So center is 2 comma minus 1. Next, find eccentricity. See here you know that eccentricity is denoted by E, whose formula is square root of a square minus b square by a square. So that is equal to a square 16 and b square is 9. So 16 minus 9 by 16. So this is root 7 by 4. So eccentricity is what? Root 7 by 4. Let's find the coordinates of foci. You know that foci is what? H plus or minus ae comma k. So substitute the values of h, a, e, k. So this is equal to h value is 2 plus or minus a value 4 and e value root 7 by 4 comma minus 1. Now here 4 get cancelled. So coordinates of foci is what? 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. Next, find the length of lattice rectum. That is simply LLR. You know that formula is 2b square by a. So 2 into b square value is 9. Divide by a value is 4. So this is equals to 9 by 2. So let's find the equations of directrix. See here, equation of directrix. That formula is x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. See here, x is equal to h value 2 plus or minus a value 4 and e value root 7 by 4. So x is equal to what? 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. Okay. So this is the equations of directrix. Okay. So see the question number 3. So here also find eccentricity, coordinates of the center, foci, length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, and center equations of directrix of the ellipse are given. See the first one, third bit, first solution. So what is the given equation? See here, given equation is 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. So first you should write the x terms. 4x square minus 8x. In that 4 is common. You will get x square minus 2x. So next write the y square terms, that is y square plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. Now see here, this is 4 times of x square minus 2x can be written as x minus half value of 2 1 whole square minus square of this one. You will get 1. Plus here y square plus 2y plus 1 can be written as y plus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Now this is 4 times of x minus 1 whole square minus 4 send right side, then it becomes plus 4 plus y plus 1 whole square is equals to 4. Now divide this equation with 4 on both sides. You will get x minus 1 whole square by 1 plus y plus 1 whole square by 4 is equals to 1. Now this can be written as x minus 1 whole square by 1 plus y plus 1 can be written as y minus half minus 1 whole square by 4 is equals to 1. So comparing with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. Here a square is equals to 1 and b square is equals to 4. So a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2. So clearly here a is less than b. Okay. So in that case you need to find all these. So first center. What is the center? C h comma k. That is equals to h is 1, k is minus 1. So clearly 1 comma minus 1 is the center. Next to find eccentricity. Okay. See here, eccentricity, that is E is equal to square root of b square minus a square by b square. Okay. So because of here a is less than b. Now substitute the values of a square b square here. You will get b square value is square root of 4 minus 1 by 4. That is root 3 by 2. That is the eccentricity of the ellipse. So next, coordinates of the center completed. Next you can find the foci. So what is foci? Foci is h comma k plus or minus b, because of a is less than b here. Now h value 1 and k value minus 1 plus or minus b into e. So 2 into root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So you will get foci are 1 comma minus 1 plus or minus root 3. These are the foci of a given ellipse. Let's find the length of major axis. Here, length of major axis, that is equals to 2b. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Next, length of minor axis, that is equals to 2a. So a value is 1, you will get 2. Next, find length of lattice rectum, that is LLR. You will get the formula 2a square by b. So 2 into a square value is 1 and b value is what? 2. So you will get length of the lattice rectum is 1. So next, coordinates of the center, okay, and also equations of the directrix. See here, equations of directrix. That formula is what? Y is equal to k plus or minus b by e. So therefore y is equal to k value is minus 1 plus or minus b value is 2 and e value is root 3 by 2. You will get y is equal to what? Minus 1 plus or minus 4 by root 3. So these are the equations of directrix. So try to solve question number 2. So this is similar to question number 1. So next to see the question number 4. Here also find length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity and center foci, and also equations of directrix of the ellipse is given. See here, given ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equals to 144. So divide both sides with 144. You will get x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. Okay. Now clearly this equation is of the form or comparing the above equation with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Here a square is equal to 16 and b square is equals to 9. So therefore a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So clearly here a is greater than b. So in that case we need to find all this. So first one, length of major axis. Here length of major axis. So that formula is what? 2a. So 2 into 4, you will get 8. Next, length of minor axis, that is 2b. 2 into 3 is 6. So next find lattice rectum, LLR. You will get that is 2b square by a. So 2 into b square value 9 divided by a value 4. You will get 9 by 2. And also eccentricity of ellipse. Eccentricity. What is the eccentricity? E is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square. So that is square root of a square 16 minus 9, 7 by 16. You will get root 7 by 4 is the eccentricity of the ellipse. Next, center. So what is the center of ellipse? Clearly origin. Next 4 key. So 4 key is what? Plus or minus AE comma 0. That is plus or minus A 4 and E value root 7 by 4. 4 get cancelled. You will get plus or minus root 7 comma 0. These are the 4 key. Let's find equations of directrix. See here, equations of directrix. That is x is equal to plus or minus a by e. So x is equal to plus or minus, what is the value of a? 4. Divide by e is root 7 by 4. You will get x is equal to plus or minus 16 by root 7. Okay. That is root 7 x is equal to plus or minus 16. These are the equations of directrix. Okay. For next session we will discuss more problems.